Cleaning your Oracle Dual Boiler keeps it in the best working order and ensures every coffee tastes great. Select the cog icon to open the settings menu. Under the Maintenance heading, you'll find on-screen user guides for steam wand cleaning, cleaning the group head, descaling, changing the water filter, water hardness test, and emptying the boilers. If you have steam wand or extraction issues, you should run a steam wand rinse cycle and deep clean cycle, which will guide you through each step. When you're performing a steam wand clean, you'll want to prepare the steam wand cleaning powder, sold separately. To use the steam wand cleaning powder, add 1 packet of the powder to an empty milk jug before filling around halfway with hot water. Unscrew the steam tip and place it into the jug with the steam wand and soak it for 10 minutes. Next, clean, rinse, and replace the steam tip part. Place the wand back into the jug and purge the steam wand by activating steam a few times. Then, wipe the wand and rinse the jug thoroughly. Let's perform a group head clean. The Oracle Dual Boiler will display an on-screen pop-up message, alerting you it's time for cleaning. Simply follow the prompts on screen. If you need to perform a group head clean manually, access the Settings menu by touching the cog icon in the upper right of the screen. Then scroll down and select Group Head Clean and follow the on-screen instructions. It's that simple. To ensure your machine continues to brew the perfect cup, replacing the Claro Swiss water filter is essential. First, remove and drain the water tank. Remove and discard the used water filter. Set the new filter to the current month. Next, soak the filter in fresh, cold water for 5 minutes. Assemble water filter parts and ensure they are firmly connected. Then, install it into the tank by clicking into place. Fill the tank with water to the max line and reinstall into the machine. Remember to replace the filter after approximately 90 days. Head to Breville.com and subscribe to the automatic top-up of parts and accessories, and they'll be delivered to you based on your machine's maintenance requirements. When first setting up your machine or moving to a new location with a different water supply, you will need to run a water hardness test. Check your water hardness by dipping a test strip into the water tank. Open the Settings menu by touching the cog icon before navigating to Water Hardness Test under the Maintenance menu, where you can update the value before confirming. Regular cleaning helps the burrs achieve consistent grinding results. First, unlock and empty the hopper. Then remove any remaining coffee beans before replacing and locking the hopper. Set the grind size to maximum, 45, and run the grinder until empty. Unlock and remove the upper burr by pulling the wire arm up and twisting counterclockwise. Clean the upper and lower burr with the cleaning brush. Align the index marks and push the upper burr firmly into position. Lock the upper burr by rotating clockwise. Insert the hopper and lock and return your grind setting to its previous position. Now you're ready to refill with fresh coffee beans. Let's look at how to keep your filter basket clean. After some use, you may notice a buildup of coffee residue in your portafilter and filter basket, which should be kept clean regularly. Take out the filter basket and wash it in hot water with a scouring brush and light detergent. Alternatively, use a cleaning tablet to soak the metal part of the portafilter and filter basket in hot water. Flushing the portafilter with water after each shot helps clean the portafilter, which you can then dry with a cloth. To ensure all residual ground coffee particles are removed from the shower screen, periodically run hot water through the group head with the filter basket and portafilter in place, but without ground coffee. This removes any residual ground coffee particles from the shower screen. The drip tray should be removed, emptied, and cleaned periodically with warm water, particularly when the drip tray float indicator shows. Carefully remove the drip tray so not to spill any contained liquid. Empty the drip tray into the sink before cleaning it with warm, soapy water, ensuring you remove all residue. The storage tray can also be removed and cleaned with a soft, damp cloth, not abrasive cleansers or pads which may scratch the surface. Rinse and dry before inserting back into the machine. When storing or transporting your machine, it is essential to empty the boilers, as this will avoid water dripping from your machine. To access the settings menu, touch the cog icon on the upper right of the screen. Then scroll down and select the Empty Boilers option, and follow the on-screen instructions.